Some flavors, they don't need meat. They just need courage. And this dish is just a little rebellious. It looks like goat curry. It smells like goat curry. But there is no goat. There is a rainbow chard straight from my garden, slow, simmered, richly spiced, and deeply comforting. Let's make it.
What do you want me to do?
Give me comfort.
Well, because what are you cooking?
Veggie curry.
Yes.
And these veggies. So I'm going to do a little bit of onions. Yes, I planted these babies and I water them, and now I'm making it for the first time. That would be lovely. This is from my veggie garden, by the way.
Whoa, it's so big.
I took the last week.
It looks wonderful.
It's so
It's
cute.
because of all of your love that you give it.
That is so sweet.
It's true.
Now I'm going to add this. So I met this wonderful couple, and they make amazing sauces.
Yeah.
And this curry in a jar, and I want to make it. So nice, isn't it?
Goat curry.
But it's no meat.
But no, but
Yeah.
it's the goat
So
curry.
this is curry, no goat meat.
Goat, yeah.
Come on, it's amazing. So this is the Fine Jamaican Sauce, and they gave it to me.
Yeah.
It's not sponsoring the channel, but you know, this is because
Maybe in the future they will sponsor.
Yes. Oh my God, it needs a lot of kindness and care as well, because they're growing themselves and they're doing very well. The sauces are amazing. They have such a wide range of sauces. It's great, and it looks like I'm making publicity.
The advertisement from Gabi.
Yeah. Maybe a collab. Maybe we make a beautiful collab.
Do they hold like a restaurant or
No,
a
they
shop?
only sell sauces. So now I'm going to take a little spoon, and then I'm just going to add water. Come on, it's so cute, isn't it?
That's a pretty color.
Yeah, it is. They call it rainbow. I'm going to add a little bit of water so it can sizzle. Let it boil over here. So,
Can I mix it in?
sorry?
Can I mix it in?
Yeah, absolutely. Love your nails, but I want to do it from the bottom, so it gets all of this. And it's getting red. Do you like it? Do you think it's good? Going to have a beautiful thick sauce. A little bit of garlic. Actually, garlic is very good for sore throat as well.
Apparently, if you have garlic with honey, it's in the morning. It's supposed to be really good for you.
Oh, I didn't know that. So, I'm going to smash the garlic. It's so satisfying. Now, I'm going to chop the garlic.
Wash your hand. Wash your hand while you're cutting. Watch out.
Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Garlic. Do I like garlic? That's the question.
I love garlic.
I love garlic. Cute, isn't it?
And
Yeah?
it looks so delicioso.
But then we can add on the plate as well.
Well, I don't know how salty that salt is.
Salt is
Is
very...
it really salty, that salt?
No, it's amazing salt. So it's the right salt. It's not too much salt, it's enough salt. It's perfect.
How do you know
salt.
that it's the perfect salt?
Because I decide what it is.
Because
for
you
me.
bought it? You say that's
Yeah,
what you
because
say.
it's Portuguese.
Because I got it.
It's a Portuguese salt.
Because it's my salt.
It's
You
because,
say.
because it's my salt in my kitchen.
Yeah. It's the perfect salt then.
It's the perfect salt. This is ready. Now choose a color. So yellow. Yellow it is.
Yellow.
Yellow. Yellow.
One yellow and orange?
No, it's just one.
Oh.
So this is it. This is the curry rainbow cabbage. Served with love and bon appetit. Don't forget to watch until the end because we have something served with banter. Hi Mia,
I got
how are
it.
you today?
I'm good.
Hey Mia, how's it going?
How's the weather up there?
So good to see you.
Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you. I can see you up there. You're looking so good, Mia.
Thank you.
What's up?
What's up? The sky.